Good evening, everyone, and welcome to SUCCYTECH podcast. Today's debate is an interesting one. Can I hear from both of you? Good day, everyone. Money is better than good name because as it stands today, you can barely do anything without money.
Good day, everyone.
Yeah.
I'm of the opinion that good name is better than money. Imagine having money without good reputation.
Yeah.
All right, guys. Welcome to the next aspect of this tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a realistic AI video, just like the one you just watched. So all you have to do is to follow the processes which I'm going to point out in this video. Now, the first thing that you have to know is to understand or to clearly identify the type of video that you want to create. So for the purpose of this tutorial, I want to create a podcast video where two people are in form of suggesting an opinion that this thing is better than the other thing. You understand? So I will tell ChatGPT, I will simply go to ChatGPT and tell ChatGPT, I want to create an AI podcast. I want to create an AI podcast video. A dialogue between two Nigerian man and a woman who are seated in the podcast room with the name SUCCYTECH podcast, rating on the wall, the luxury podcast. So all I need from you is to clearly describe how you want that place to be, how you want that people to be. You understand? Let them be seated and ready to begin the dialogue, which the man is suggesting or is supporting the motion that money is better than good name, and the woman is opposing that good name a good name is better than money, right? So just describe how you want them to be seated. You will now tell ChatGPT, please help me generate this image in the aspect ratio of 16:9. This is because I'm creating this video for YouTube. This aspect ratio 16:9, you can only use it when you are creating a particular video for YouTube. That is the kind of video that YouTube supports. But if you are creating for Facebook use or TikTok use, delete this thing and put 9:16, ratio 9:16, right? Understand? So you have to specify the kind of the aspect ratio it should be, either 16:9 or 9:16. So please help me generate this image in the aspect ratio of 16:9 and write all these prompts down and render it in a very high quality. Remember, the podcast room is a luxury one. I like using this luxury because I like luxury things. Remember, the podcast is a luxury one. Make the overall picture be ultra realistic. Now create generate the picture. Full stop. So I just want you to let's review what we have written so far. I want to create an AI podcast video which involves a dialogue between two Nigerian man and a woman who are seated in the podcast room without this is why you need to look at your prompt before you send, with the name SUCCYTECH podcast written on the wall of the luxurious podcast room. Let them be seated and ready to begin the dialogue, which the man is supporting the motion that money is better than good name, and the woman is opposing that good name is better than money. Please help me generate this image in the aspect ratio of 16:9 and render it in a very high quality. Remember, the podcast room is a luxury one. Make the overall picture be ultra realistic. Now generate the picture. So you have to click to send it. Use this arrow button by the right hand side of this here ChatGPT to create this image, because for you to create AI video you need to generate the picture first, right? you need to generate the picture first. When you are done generating the picture, you can go ahead to animate the video, to animate that picture to do exactly what you want it to do. Let's see how the image will look like. Okay, you can see this because I requested for 2 people, but now I'm seeing 3 persons here. But then let's use what we are seeing to animate. Let's take the man that is sitting at the middle, because ChatGPT, it may be that is the reason. This thing I want to point out now. So it may be that this man that is sitting at the center will be the judge, will be judging what they are saying, and that is how it's supposed to be. Understand? That is how it's supposed to be. Somebody must be there to hear from the horse's mouth, from the both parties. So what we do now is to go ahead and download our image. This place that is rotating, use it to download the image.